Hello, this is Prashant here, and thanks for your interest in my course Data Analysis with Python. So, this course is intended to make you confident with data analysis with NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and the Seaborn. So, the topic that we are going to cover here is listed in the slide. We will start with introduction of NumPy and Pandas, and then we will move on to data ingestion, data preparation, data wrangling, data aggregation and grouping, and finally we will go through various visualization using Matplotlib, Seaborn, and the Pandas object. So what are the prerequisite? So you need to have an intermediate level knowledge of Python programming. So I have provided one section of Python overview towards the end, but I suggest that you can go through my course Python Programming Bible at Udemy to have the comprehensive understanding of the Python programming. So in the current course, we will use Jupyter to write all our programs, and the Python refresher section, it has details about how to install the Anaconda and how to install the Jupyter. So now let's go through the course overview in little more detail. So the course starts with basic introduction of the NumPy and the history of NumPy. So after that we will see how to create the NumPy array, and then we will see the indexing, slicing, and the fancy indexing. We will also cover the universal function, vectorization, statistical operation, Boolean array operation, and then we will also see how to sort and how to save the NumPy array to a persistent storage. So next we will move on to Pandas object, where we will start with Pandas installation, and then we will go through the Pandas series object and the Pandas data frame object, and then we will see how to access and filter the elements from series and data frame object, and then we will see how to perform the mathematical operation, then indexing, selection, filtering, hierarchical indexing, sorting, ranking, then function mapping, then arithmetic operation, and many other functionalities. In data ingestion or the file operation, here we will go through reading and the writing to CSV file, JSON file, HTML, and the pickle file. We will also go through the details about the HDF5 file and Excel file and the SQLite file. Okay. So after that we will move to data preparation. So data preparation module will equip you with how to handle the missing data, whether to delete a missing data or whether to impute the missing data. So we will also see the various data transformation techniques, like how to do the bucket analysis for continuous data, then outlier detection, sampling, and then how to create the dummy variable for the categorical data. Okay. So the next is data wrangling. So it will allow you to merge data from the various data sources using inner, outer, left, and the right join. We will also see how to merge with column and the index label of the data frame. And then we will see various other operations like join, concatenation, pivot, melt, etc. Okay. Now the next we will go through the data aggregation, that is one of the main steps of the data analysis, and it will allow you to aggregate the data with apply, split, and the combine method. So we will use the aggregate method and we will use the apply method on top of the aggregated data to apply the various operations on the aggregated data. So then we will also see how to use the pivot table and the cross tabulation that allows to redistribute the data to have a better and the useful representation. So this is the last step, which is visualization, and this is one of the main step of the data analysis. So actually visualization fit everywhere. So whenever a data is involved, so you need to check the data during data source integration, during data preparation, wrangling, aggregation, and every step of the data analysis. So in this section, we are going to cover the Matplotlib, Seaborn, and the default visualization that are available in the Pandas object. So some of the diagrams that we are going to create, it is listed here. Okay. So yeah, this is a brief overview of what we are going to cover in this course. So do enroll my course and enjoy the journey of data analysis with theory, hands-on, and lots of practice examples. So do message me if you need any clarification.